Hello, and finally the day has come when we start with Macbeth. All right, one of the most intense plays that Shakespeare wrote. So before we get down to the acts and the scenes, I wanted to introduce you to the play, to the theme of the play, to the characters, what all can be expected there. So पहले introduction कर लेते हैं and फिर acts start करेंगे. And of course, before we do even that, please download and install this app so that you can get access to all the free material. And of course, that also contains the PPTs or the PDFs that we use in these sessions. All right, Macbeth. You've got, before we enter Act 1, Scene 1, let us first understand the world of the play. कि play की दुनिया में हो क्या रहा है, and it is expected to be a powerful introduction to William Shakespeare's tragic masterpiece. And the keywords you see, ambition, prophecy, power, guilt, सब कुछ देखने को मिलता है इस play में. An amazing, amazing, amazing play. All right, about the play. What makes Macbeth extraordinary is its fusion of witchcraft. You'll find the three weird sisters, the three witches. Prophecy, वो predict करती हैं क्या होने वाला है. Murder, of course, and then ambition. Yes, this is the thing that leads all the happenings that are there in the play. Ambition and guilt into a single relentless narrative. Relentless, unstoppable, लगातार होता जा रहा है. It follows a once brave warrior destroyed by his own choices. Macbeth, a general, and he becomes very, very, very ambitious. He wants to be the king. He becomes the king, but then the guilt swallows him. Playwright William Shakespeare, written around 1606 during the reign of King James I. King James I के बारे में कहा जाता है कि उनको ये सब सुपर नेचुरल एलिमेंट्स वगैरह में बहुत इंटरेस्ट था, तो शेक्सपियर सर ने बोला ठीक है हम तुमको यही देते हैं, तो लिख दिया उन्होंने. ट्रेजेडी, शेक्सपियर्स शॉर्टेस्ट एंड मोस्ट इंटेंस ट्रैजिक प्ले. शॉर्टेस्ट है लेकिन सबसे ज्यादा इंटेंस है. यू कैन नॉट टेक अ ब्रीदर. लगातार धड़ाधड़ धड़ स्टोरी आगे बढ़ती रहती है. स्कॉटलैंड कहाँ पे सेटिंग है? स्कॉटलैंड में है a land of castles, battlefields and dark prophecy. तो प्ले का जो आप बैकग्राउंड देख रहे हो ना, it's all like dark and not very happy setting. And as it is written here, बहुत ही intense play है. Perhaps the most intense tragic play that Shakespeare wrote. Why this play still matters? Oh, yes, it sure does. अगर आपने if you want the adaptation in India, तो एक मूवी है that is मकबूल, पंकज कपूर, इरफान खान. You watch it. One of the masterpieces of Indian cinema. उन्होंने Macbeth adapt किया. Uncontrolled ambition. Macbeth's desire for greatness becomes his greatest weakness, pushing him toward destruction rather than glory. Desire is the problem. We all have ambitions, right? But if they are uncontrolled, chances are they will lead us to our doom. Guilt and consequences. After the crime, neither Macbeth nor Lady Macbeth can escape the psychological burden of what they have done. All right, तो दोनों के दोनों झेलते हैं क्या चीज? अपनी guilt का burden. So they are not sane anymore. They become insane. They walk in sleep. And deep moral questions, how far can ambition take a person before it becomes ruin? और आप कितने अपने ambition को pursue कर सकते हैं उसके पहले कि वो हमको तबाह कर दे, बर्बाद कर दे, destroy कर दे. That is why all the emotions, the greatness of Shakespeare is that whatever he wrote like thousands of years ago, fine, वो जो human nature है, जो basic हमारे instincts हैं, they are all very, very, very relevant. Even today, that is why they still matter. Key characters, all right. Macbeth, of course, हमारा hero. A brave Scottish general who becomes obsessed with power. He starts as a hero and ends as a tyrant. तो hero की जगह लड़ तो रहा था, लेकिन एक बार वो ambitious हो गया, and he started chasing his ambition. Then things start going downhill. Lady Macbeth, उनकी wife, she is ambitious, persuasive. In fact, she is the one who persuades Macbeth कि तुम king बन सकते हो, और उसके बनने के लिए तुम्हें क्या करना पड़ेगा? जो present king है उसको मार दिया जाए. So Macbeth's wife, she is ambitious, persuasive and ruthless at first, but later breaks down under guilt. बुरा काम किया है, guilt होती है. King Duncan, the rightful king of Scotland, he represents order, trust and kingship. बढ़िया राजा था, इसी को मारा. Banquo, friend है Macbeth का. Macbeth's friend and fellow soldier, he also hears the witch's prophecy, जो three witches उन्होंने जो predict किया था. तो Banquo ने भी सुना, but he responds more cautiously. उस पे Banquo ने इतना ज़्यादा reaction नहीं दिया जितना Macbeth पागल हो गया कि yes, I want to become the king and now the three witches have also predicted that I will become the king and hence I am going after it. The Weir sisters, the three witches who trigger the central prophecy and create an atmosphere of mystery and fear. आप Act 1 में ही देखोगे जो Scene 1 होएगा, वहाँ ही जिस तरह का atmosphere शेक्सपियर ने create किया है, I mean maybe for 5 minutes or something, you will get hooked to it. The plot at a glance, of course, beginning, Macbeth and Banquo meet the witches after battle. लड़ाई के बाद इन तीनों से मिलते हैं. They receive strange prophecies. और ये तीनों witches कुछ prophecies देती हैं, which are, I mean, they seem highly unlikely, but yes, that is what they said. Middle, Macbeth is tempted by the idea of becoming king. उसको राजा बनने का शौक चढ़ जाता है. With Lady Macbeth's support, he murders King Duncan and takes the throne. और राजा बन भी जाता है, as professed by the Weir sisters. After the murder, but guilt and fear begin to control Macbeth. He becomes suspicious, violent and unstable. Psychologically disturbed हो जाता है, पूरी तरह से टूट जाता है, बिखर जाता है. Ending, Macbeth is finally defeated and order is restored in Scotland. अब किससे लड़ता है, कौन हराता है, क्या होता है? This all will be in details when we read the entire play line by line. All right, and themes क्या क्या हो सकते हैं? Ambition, of course. Macbeth gets ambitious. He wants to become the king. The desire for power becomes Macbeth's greatest weakness. Then you got fate versus free will. The witches predict the future, but Macbeth still chooses his actions. वो कहती हैं देखो ऐसा होगा, उसके बाद you will get in some trouble. Macbeth says no, I'll still go ahead. All right. Appearance versus reality. In Macbeth, things are often not what they seem. Mystery है boss. तो you can't expect कि जो दिख रहा है वही है. Things are different. Guilt and madness. After the crime, the mind becomes as broken as the kingdom. For both Macbeth and Macbeth's wife. And finally, kingship and power. The play contrasts rightful rule with corrupt rule. Duncan sir तो हमारे अच्छे राजा थे. And then Macbeth comes and becomes a tyrant. All right. So these are the basic themes. Important symbols: blood, a symbol of guilt, violence and irreversible sin. एक sin जो अब पलट नहीं कर सकते आप, उसका कोई पश्चाताप नहीं है. Darkness represents secrecy, evil and moral confusion. And sleep, a symbol of peace that Macbeth loses forever after the murder. अगर किसी को नींद नहीं आ रही है तो मतलब कहीं से वो disturbed है. तो sleep is a symbol of peace, जो कि Macbeth पास रहा नहीं अब. The witches, they represent mystery, temptation and the supernatural force that disturbs the natural order. वही तो prophecy लेके आती हैं और मन में आपके डालती हैं कि look, this is what you can do. Summary, before we take the journey further, let's just summarize it all so that आपको बेहतर समझ में आता रहे जब आगे हम play पढ़ते हैं. Macbeth is one of William Shakespeare's most celebrated tragedies. पहली बात तो क्या है, ये एक ट्रेजेडी है, ठीक है. सेट इन medieval Scotland. कहां पे सेट है? दिस इज इन स्कॉटलैंड. द प्ले फॉलोज द जर्नी ऑफ मैकबेथ, a brave and respectful Scottish general whose life changes after he and his friend Banquo encounter three mysterious witches. The witches predict that Macbeth will become the Thane of Cawdor and eventually the king of Scotland, while Banquo's descendants will inherit the throne. तो ये prediction हो गया भाई कि तुम बनोगे राजा और Banquo के जो descendants होंगे वो भी आगे जाके throne inherit करेंगे. When the first prophecy comes true, Macbeth begins to believe that the rest can also be fulfilled. जब ये हो जाता है, when he becomes the Thane of Cawdor, then he starts to believe, look boss, I can also become the king of Scotland. Planting the seeds of dangerous ambition. और यहां से वो खतरनाक ambition शुरू होती है. Driven by his desire for power and encouraged by Lady Macbeth, Macbeth murders King Duncan while he is a guest at their castle. तो पहली बात तो आपने एक गेस्ट को मार दिया और वही सबसे बड़ी गिल्ट. He seizes the throne but soon realizes that becoming king does not bring peace or सिक्योरिटी. इट्स नॉट दैट इजी टू रूल अ किंगडम, राइट? आपके भी तो दुश्मन होंगे, और प्लस आपने एक मर्डर खुद किया हुआ है. Fear of losing his crown leads him to commit more crimes, including the murder of Banco. अपने फ्रेंड को भी मार दिया. Although Banco is killed, his son Fleance escapes. Banco को तो मार दिया, Banco का बेटा escape कर जाता है, keeping the witch's prophecy alive. Macbeth's guilt and paranoia, this mental instability, grow stronger, causing him to become increasingly ruthless and mentally unstable. अब जब आदमी पागल हो चुका है ना, तो वो और वायलेंट हो रहा है और रुथलेस हो रहा है, एंड ऑफ कोर्स मेंटली अनस्टेबल हो रखा है. As Macbeth's tyranny spreads across Scotland, Lady Macbeth also begins to suffer from overwhelming guilt. अब पति जो है वो मारकाट मचाए हुए है, तो of course the wife is overpowered by guilt. She is haunted by her role in Duncan's murder and gradually loses her sanity. She goes mad. Meanwhile, Macbeth seeks reassurance from the witches, who give him misleading prophecies that make him believe he cannot be defeated. और ये तो witches हैं यार, इनको तुम ट्रस्ट करोगे? Misleading prophecy दे दिया, and now Macbeth believes that he cannot be defeated. Trusting these predictions, he becomes overconfident and orders the murder of Macduff's innocent family, further revealing his cruelty and abuse of power. एक और innocent family को मार देता है. In the final act, Malcolm, the rightful heir, and Macduff lead an army against Macbeth to restore justice to Scotland. The witches' prophecies come true in unexpected ways, and Macbeth realizes too late that he has misunderstood them. Macduff kills Macbeth in battle, ending his tyrannical rule, and Malcolm becomes the new king of Scotland. Malcolm बनता है, Fleance नहीं, Banco का बेटा नहीं, Malcolm बनता है king. The play concludes with the restoration of order, leaving readers with the powerful message that unchecked ambition, moral corruption, and the misuse of power ultimately lead to destruction. So this is in summary Macbeth. बहुत ज़्यादा ambition था और उसको गलत तरह से chase किया, and finally it led to Macbeth's own destruction. And that is all that we have as far as introduction to the play is concerned. और अब तो play का theme इन सब सामने आ गया होगा, ठीक है? So I am looking forward to it, and I hope you are too. But before that, download, install so that you get access to all the free material that we have. And thank you very much. See you soon.